Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be going over the new Colourpop x Karrueche collaboration from Colourpop, and I am so freaking excited. Everything looks freaking gorgeous. Like, I love the packaging, and not to mention just the whole collection itself I thought was beautiful. So let's go ahead and dive into some swatches and testing out these products. Okay, so the Brown Sugar collection comes with an eyeshadow palette. There are 4 lipsticks, and it looks like 2 glossy lips and 3 cream gel colors. And I'm looking on their website right now, and it looks like everything is still in stock, which is awesome. And if you want to buy the whole like bundle set, it is $65, and the PR set is $75, which is sold out right now, but everything else is in stock, so that's awesome. So the first thing I got from this collection was the Brown Sugar palette. I just could not pass this up, you guys. I just thought the packaging for one was super cute, and the colors in here, they are just so beautiful. I don't know, I just thought it was a really pretty neutral palette, so I had to pick this up, and this was only $12, you guys. So I felt like that was a really reasonable price. Now the next thing I picked up was one of their lipsticks, and I've never tried Colourpop's lipstick formula, so I'm super excited to try this. Now look at this packaging, you guys. This is just so nice. It looks so like high-end and so pretty. So of course I got the nude, and this is in the shade Butter, and this is a cream formula, and if you buy the individuals of the lipsticks, they are $7, so really not that bad. And lastly, I went ahead and picked up the ultra glossy lip in the shade Dumpling. So this is kind of more, looked like more of a nude shade as well. So here it is right here. It's definitely more like a nude, kind of corally peachy, so it looks really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. So I'd say it's not really a nude, it's definitely more like a true peachy kind of corally shade, and it's super pretty. I was just expecting it to be a little bit more nude. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the lipstick as well for you guys. So here is the lipstick right here. Looks just like a classic beautiful nude. I think I'm gonna love that, and it felt really creamy going on. So yeah, that is everything in this collection. Oh, did I say the price of the lip gloss? The lip gloss is $6. I just think everything in here is so affordable, and you know, very reasonable prices, and a beautiful collection overall. So let's go ahead and start using this and kind of see how everything works together. So the first thing I want to go ahead and use is the eyeshadow palette, of course, and the most amazing thing about this is it has a mirror. Like, no Colourpop palettes come with a mirror, and this was only $12, which I feel like is one of their cheaper ones, and $12, and it has a huge mirror. So I love that. I super appreciate that. So the first shade I'm going to go into is Chai right here, and just kind of use that as a very light transition shade, and just kind of start building that up in the crease. Loving that shade. Now I'm going to go into Jamocha right here and go ahead and put that in the transition area as well. Oh, these are beautiful shades. Definitely more of a warm toned palette, but it does have some cool tones in there, so I think that's pretty cool. Now I'm going to go into the shade, I think I'm going to go in with Chalk, which is kind of like this burgundy reddish brown, and it's so beautiful, and it's got some great pigment to it. So I'm just going to start putting that in the crease area. Definitely have some fallout, you guys. So if you don't like that, definitely do your eyes first and then your foundation. We're gonna see how that wipes off. This is a pretty like pigmented color, so we'll test it out and see. Now I'm going to try and take Henna, which is that kind of cool toned grayish brown, and just kind of like deepen up the crease with that. Yes. I wasn't sure if that was gonna like come off darker than it does in the pan, but it does, and it's a great crease color. By the way, you guys, I am wearing the new Colourpop foundation stick today, and I am still loving it. I think it is so, so good, and it makes my skin look really, really nice, and I'm loving it. Oh my gosh, that henna shade is beautiful. Basically comes off as brown, but oh my gosh, it looks so, so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to get rid of this fallout on my cheek right here and see how that works. Beautiful. Didn't even leave anything on there. So now there's 3 shimmers to choose from, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all 3 for you guys so you can kind of see what they look like. First off, we have Saute right here, then we have Auburn, and then we have Ginger up on top. So absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I'm not even sure which one I'm gonna choose. They're all gorgeous. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Auburn, which was the kind of rusty orange, orangey brown shade. Oh my gosh. Is that not the prettiest thing ever? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take a small little brush and go into Ginger right here, which is that really beautiful light champagne shade, and just pop that on the, or in the inner corner. Okay, so eyeshadow on the top is done. I'm just gonna go in and smoke out the lower lash line with a little bit of Jamocha and chalk right here. So eyeshadow's all done. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some mascara and I'll be right back. So overall, I freaking love this palette. I think it is gorgeous, and extra bonus points that it has a mirror. Colourpop, you need to do this with all of your palettes. That would be amazing. But yes, I just think this palette is so beautiful. Definitely a neutral palette, and kind of warm tone, kind of cool tone. And I feel like you can just get a lot of different beautiful neutral looks out of it. So A+ on that. Lastly, from this collection, I want to go ahead and put on this nude lip. And again, this is in the shade Butter, and it's a cream formula. So I'm just gonna apply that real quick. I think this is going to look beautiful. Wow, these are very, very pigmented, you guys. So this is the lipstick shade. It is absolutely beautiful. I really love this shade. It's a great, great neutral shade. I think this is gonna work with so many skin tones. And if it doesn't, if you have a darker complexion and it's too light, Colourpop and Karrueche did come out with, I think, 3 or 4 other kind of nude shades that are just beautiful, but were probably a little bit too dark for me, and I love nudes. So they do have different options for you if that one is too light, but this is just gorgeous. And not to mention the formula, oh my god, this is so freaking comfortable and wow, pigmented and just amazing. It's so freaking comfortable. So now I do have the ultra glossy lip in the shade Dumpling, but I think it's a little bit too dark for this look, and I already have the lipstick on it, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and skip on that. But you guys know that I love their ultra glossy lip formula. I think it's really, really good. You guys know that Fairy Floss is like one of my absolute faves. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed like the way it turned out and everything. I personally love this collection. I just feel like it is so incredibly wearable, and it's definitely like a neutral collection, but that's what I love about it. You know, everyone can use it. So the eyeshadow palette for sure, I feel like get your hands on this. I love ultra glossy lips, but I don't really care for this shade. So I say if you're gonna pick up anything from this collection, definitely pick up the eyeshadow palette and like a lipstick or something, because this lipstick formula is amazing, so creamy, and I think the shade is just beautiful. But hey, if you want to pick up the whole collection, then do it, girl. Like, everything is absolutely beautiful. So that is pretty much my review, kind of first impressions on this collection. I love everything. I think it's so beautiful and definitely recommend it. I give it a huge thumbs up to Colourpop and Karrueche. You guys did an amazing job. Everything is just so pretty, and the packaging on everything too is just so aesthetically pleasing. Like, I think everything just looks so beautiful. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and found it helpful, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!